Hey everybody, Melissa here. So do you find yourself constantly using the same tools in Microsoft Excel? Well, I'm sure you do, because so do I. And what I'm going to show you today is how to create your own personalized tab, and then take your favorite tools that you're constantly using and create groups for them underneath that tab. That way, the next time you need to access them, you'll be able to quickly and easily find them. I can't wait to show you how this works, so let's go ahead and get started. Within our spreadsheet, File, Home, all the way to Help are considered tabs. The area underneath them, Clipboard, all the way to Add-ins, is considered groups. So what we're going to do is create a tab customized to us, and then add custom groups underneath it. And the first thing we want to do is go to File. We're going to go down to Options. And within our box, we're going to go to Customize Ribbon. And then over on the right, you'll see a list of all of our tabs that match what we have up here. We're going to select New Tab. Now it comes in as New Tab Custom, and then there's an automatic group underneath it. I'm going to right-click on New Tab, and I'm going to rename it Melissa. And then I'm going to tell it OK. Now this defaults to New Group, but you can right-click on it and rename it as well. And I may rename it based on what we move over here, but for now I'm going to leave it as it is. And let's start adding some things to this group. And there are a lot of different things listed over here, but I'm just going to pull some for now. I know I use Paste Special a lot. Print Preview and Print. Quick Print. And that's going to create a group. So let's go ahead and tell it OK. Now if you look up here after Home, there is a tab called Melissa. If I select it, it's called New Group, and this is the tools that I put in there. Now let's say that we want to change this or add another group. If we go back to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, then over here on the right, we can select the group under Melissa, and we can right-click on it and rename it. And I'm just going to name it Print and Paste and tell it OK. We can select a tool and remove it. We can add new tools, or we can also move it. So we can take our custom tab and we can put it down below Help. But I kind of like it right after my Home tab, so I'm going to leave it there. Now I want to add a new group. So I'm going to go down to New Group. And this time, instead of popular commands, I want to do commands that are not in the ribbon. And that's going to bring up a list. And again, there's quite a few things in here, so I'm just going to grab a couple, and I'm going to drag them over to the new group. And in this case, it has something to do with images, so I'm just going to right-click on the group, and I'm going to rename it. And I'm just going to name it Image Group, and tell it OK. And then once we tell it OK, if you look on our tab, we now have Print and Paste, and we have Image Group. And now we have our own tab with our favorite tools. Not only does this work in Microsoft Excel, but you can use this same process to create customized tabs in other applications, including Word and PowerPoint. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click that subscribe button before you leave. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.